Kran ho ya mo akwa ba. Eba hu ni se dwumadie so.
Yo, me do so about.
Na ho de say.
Oh, na me abo no mo
Na ga ho ya afam adara.
Oh, daddy.
You have
Take out this operation here for future.
Where some no. Aja edu fiare say ya na madaro ma de si na otwi mu bobogu. Na otwi mu de wa ni chia. Ense bienu bi e course na ye say say ehu e wo my Ghana mu. Yam prem yam twro. Yam pre wa ba twro mo ja be gu ni ade. Ni nyina betwam ko. Ai, my sebadwam ade tumu. Say CI 126 no. Yi si betimi de aye adwuma. Eno free wa na sometime. Supreme Court on the your friend is 11th. Supreme Court buana nra. Ai, ese yisi edom your friend is NDC edi yisi fo aba bedan wo mu. Adan ya eni kwa se o mu tro new voters register. Eni kwa se o mu tro mu ni hu kwa se o mu tro because old one wo. Ebiam nso so ma tro nso a e wo so o mu use old card na de ko to abado. Na o mu de ba register. Na Supreme Court there be munyi mu ade ba ako. O mu koyi ya emema NDC for ama wo mo sesebra ebi adam ebi nsu gina court NDC for share ade anim monsematiko omso edin de yisi betimi atro na emom no sesi adi din na yisi betimi atro na tom omfa old voters card no enso enka ehun bi na nkrofo timi de register kona won sa wotin sembu anyina na NDC for U10 na sana usije ne fae
no ram that na me tell na picture abawa etfo na etwe yasa fanan na ni ya to mugabi na onye do aso de capital so de won na bomo de ro na man so ni na ate use and new times capital so bi anko yo ba me tell ni Richard and ayi ena kuma ni ho
ya me adma Sunday mo batene nka ho pa
o tie am tian papa
o tie pa
ba wa ye NDC free way of thinking no I am in who think I am now almost no can be among some after my community on classes. I don't know how they are thinking.
O ma dwasi ni trase adwen so bi si trase
Yes, what in extreme traffic usually don't understand because it doesn't make sense. I see how much I know. Yes, and the Krupia so officially in the mouth. Now we need to go now so correct to go that here. Of course, and I Burkina, fresh no. Who they could run now we need Burkina be. Not first of the Burkina be not shabby. I think Ghana pet. Ghana just na Ghana pet. Na Kofubi, I can't make it here, sir. If you're suffering now, Ghana pet me and differentiate you with your Ghana need your Ghana need to be that. Not possible. The whole world. Now, so I think we and Papa, you know. So what can you say? Not possible. As I said, what can you in traffic? You think upside down. That's not me partly. Because who you saying that here? Me and before no. Or what you through in some of the car. Who is almost now, what's that for Brown or more free fan over Friday? Because according to a certain criteria, someone on an American say, fiti Kwame Nkrumah address na ye be chiro dia ubia kwasa live na ya trade the way the voter ID card. Now you have be chiro din human who did the same ID card no attack on the authorities. So the fiti Kwame Nkrumah address na in order to prove say we are Ghanaian no with the Momodia ne ruru menya voter ID card. It is we are Ghanaian. According to state logic, this is how you can obtain a citizenship of Ghana.
We can't see ye.
Now, yes, simply, we share Ghana for you catch it as a which now we are saying. According to state Ghana, only anything to know. In order for everybody to establish as a Ghanaian, and now we Burkina Ghana. Now you are true here. Bomodia Kona Kutrubi, Unya, water ID shall say, bam. I don't say so again. Would be good to our people say, would be cool. And now, in our entry before Yakumu Tapaya demonstration from 2012. So we are thinking now, Ghana pay. In the Ukia, you it's not that in every civilized country.
No, Avakonango Minchuano, Emrebi Atepa, and Morgana, Namin to Kwanda, Nigeria, Nibiba Ghana. Ghana got a shoe shine, Obiatiase, Momutimi, will be a shoe shine or Ghana, or a shoe shine. Now buy and now bow Casacasana the other, near Kachan says Satan or not or can you pidgey. Until a crum casabi. Now, obo would be I see in Chiana, ye fear, near the show through Crumpton. Ghana, I you shall actually was one over 20 years. Catch him said Ghana is no man's land. Or said Ghana is no man's land. Can you believe this? Over 20 years back, Nigeria near to me from the crum, Abba Ghana, Eba be shoe shine, or be repent from Papua say ye. What didn't say near car or said Ghana is no man's land. So you can imagine, says either way, a coswa fidete.
And see, according to a study, the fact that we taking a land, Kenya voter ID card, as you said, for your Ghana. And see, as of mine, the fear of Transylvania should say. I hope for Ababiti, the voter education, according to our constitution, Ghana needs a bit to about 8 president. And I would not to about 8 president in this idea. Same time to ACP. Now, anything for us to know. So I say, almost no Ghana, any Ghana at heart. Piano, I'm gonna rely on our whole. I ancestor only the president of mine, and then one woman of the president. Into why yet or no? Nina, after the rule. And then before the said, I won't come at Ghana for Moja. From the Dutch Chili Pantan. But we cross a new ready at the Baswa, young son, young country, Udiba, a year. Photograph and one. So you best study back. So vessel then, who best touch treating. Also, a new voter is an ambassador. And it's a complicated directed cruise, tsunami. It's your mind, sir. So you be, I want one day people party, and they can Ghana for with a big form. And then I'm not planning some baby. Now, I remember telling her, and well, sir. I don't know what you're now. They know, sir, they won't succeed. But what they are trying to do, they say, send a network for the bringer in 4 years as we be not Ghana, calling him, not Ghana for a who in near man, you say, I would create the foundation or lay yet. I swap out the second term, no? I was a talk for second term this year. And make a Ghana, a Ghana ship. This is exactly what they are planning. Because the year you are, or my friend, you see, come on the Bayaki. the piano, I'm a book to the piano. Now, Cabell, Mamma said, well, I'm at the sumo in Fiena. Would your man aqua share? I am a fatty. So, man, I'm going to be a show for policy credibility. Emma, yet the Sanchez after your sister, your flat the power to it. 1994, 1994, use school now. About this society, in shame, on your command. Once I got cancelled, it's a training and making training allowance to say. I can't be as over to. I don't know, you're able to tell your young to tell. Name was the canon, we do a bush for, and the back of Ghana go for you to buy. So we be cheer, nothing, and teacher training allowance, I'm not going to afford you. The end to tell, because who needs to no bush for. I come for the new Ghana, no good for so. Now Ghana bought you, tall, ya fit. Now you're two of it, and then the president so far. Now will be years IMS within 2 years. We said 8 years now be the year no. Work on what the year could lay police station for bailout. President Papa Abe billion for police station you have to see. Man, yeah, be a more takra. The sooner I'm able to see 9. Papa restore. Men training and sending training, you can hear anything as so. Teacher training and anything training allowance that would buy, you know, who train mono. What some about restore. Free education, I could choose media houses, television stations said, on your campaign, it's here free education, said Ghana need no more multi to know. I'm on them all, anyway, no one say. Now we need to get the hour or the education, and yet possible, and then you that.
Ọfọkọrọ ho oka tramo ni win makayo Sophia etini ye test na yi ni runa ubaje di se tramo ene ayi wo weed wo eno nso no obi etie for monimu a obi dwo nso na yakofa atest ana na yasem
somewhere because software would be any party here now papa we are suffering now say nyame atu now sorry na pana for koko DNA setia about them papa no wonder say you we know and chama no awo a friend said the most general you we show on the back of an arsenal and talk one more say CID4 no na plan TV no they do contradict na won't come up not the man no they should go to the court. Now, catch a person say 1% apostle no, read apostle no bekasa. What bekasa man? No one can say that. You say, who said? I said, "Click for every week." I share my wallet one. Now, who said? Only we need the air one. Anytime more, so that we will call it show. Who can say what to the guy?
Number 1 station officially on this.
We property na no dey gain. The real papa no dey. What I would say no better say, the Joshua no. We need the money who na nya dia. Already you so no. What am I can tell you? And say do one go court one. I say for go to the court. I can't say one papa na kata. Who back kata no papa no. I say court to say, who na who here? Who evidence say you be no. I say the wallet. I don't want to get them away. They can't do anything. The man has been arrested. We should say, but you may be actually the way I play not here. You walk first and I see. Also, say, can you be a comment about it? I'm not a investigate and also a PCP and I'm not them. Who did the year at them? Who would I hear? Who the first come back? Who does a video that I push you?
Okay.
I thought you had a basic service. You have before you don't my own fine. But you be sour about we know. What was I told you? What you said I said my own kid and what? Or did I bet you?
Yeah, I'm found, sir. We know if in the bag, you know. Silence means consent, not na better guess so. On found cry. I
saw you every time. Oh, we are If you be a really addition about one, come a very beyond an audience, and that year, of a general who picked about the Casama. So, one more Casama, it doesn't do it. One cock, one of the judges on Coca Casa said, one mama Panaka, some Casama, or one of more evidence. So you really sure I use the back. Oh, I'm not without it yet. One come on to somebody out there. And back to voter register. And the idea, almost I will prefer almost it up for no Omaki. Because the problem is not the voter register. The problem is John Mahama. If in order to you pay that OP, you will swear you never shown any years. You answer that and you said the PR, we see the country, I am in nothing. Said a bear you will swear. The big limit you see. And I'm American. So I do so, and I'm trying to say, free education, and the restoration of teacher and everything allowance. I thought the president, Papa, or the other now. You don't have to wait election.
Assembly ready.
Be re-elected. And what about the Sumu China? With the Ghana Black IMF, oh, Washington had. So, why not go to make so? Also, to touch any message allowance to each year. What if the case is not possible? What mean that? Then, Mono, if you cannot, what do we push up about the Babuchi at the top of that? Or not quite, but I never wait now. What I will start the back. It's a panel. Or yes, or when we have them. As a kind of thought about a man. So, come out here. Well, no, the piano channel. Who is the Ghana fighting? You are insulting Ghanaian. Because, what is I don't know, what is I do better? How did you become? Because this is the word insult to Muhammad can come out and insult Ghanaian. Said, Nana Kufa will be film. Wow. They said, in Yemen now, we are not AFA. We got cancelled the training allowance, and in the allowance, not AFA. We have that soon in same nine. I'm not sure or so AFA. What time Ghana for would be over $400 billion? What did my Wusia from Kwan? Some of the richest families in Africa. AFA, the same brand of a trust. About what? No, which is more insulting than this one. Now, in Ghana, South Frank could you know? I didn't know by 3 months ago. I want my husband to you.
We have so much on bed.
I would have a food.
And then
I would have a food. I would have a food and Nama. Yeah, you didn't answer enough. I would have a food and Nama. Now, what about Imari? No. Then if you don't think that, if you think damp, we are so damp that Imani or Nathaniel. Nathaniel Imani. The Scapo Mako, you don't want to Bakuna de command, because you're more than a Mosaka. Mika, that in Yama can, because yes, listen, they are establishing new situations, and they're brought out for rating, and you can. If you look at the card, they are so brought out for rating as well. It's not a void, because rating here on unique coded number are except rating way and our. If you take new ratings, you know, you're paying a pair of that trouble, very hopeful. Eventually, who be someone to me answer. Now, at the end of the show, it did not affect only 6 ratings. They affected 10 ratings. Because other 4 ratings now, you see, it's after 6 ratings in the film. There are 4 ratings, you know. Or what there's also, population, half the film. It's because of the water rating. Can you know here? 50,000. And I got 25,000. Oh, what's that rating? If you're 25,000 things, oh, what's that rating? Oh, what you hope? Now, it's so dangerous. Sir, the answer will be 35,000. You know what to say? You must 25,000. You need then they down is 25,000 if you apple another rating. If you need a so what's that rating? That's if you are. Any wicked evil party, if you are back. Some number that you could roll out with you. You can use it. In a matter of fact, registration, as I said, Pastor, because I affected 10 regions out of the 15 regions. I affected 10 regions. In my union, so in 18 years. I said about what you said for the past from 1992. I register. I register. I will put out register. I'm going to have $1 million.
Wow.
And then I think that over the age, you know. But not yet. Below 8, me a job call it. I call register. Or I the whole Ghana. Northern region, Central region, Water region, Ashanti region, UPIED. This is that one not be innocent. He is so much like a corporate family. Not for 2 age so. And at that one, over the years, you see, the actual date of birth, it was school. It's the actual date of birth. I can't register for. Because the people in school, no. I hear the biometric and see, and the cover at the piano. Imagine of a living soul inside the already, I have to be in so. And the information register Mancasa, and what is happening with Mancasano? At age, you know, over 3 years.
They say, I'm fat.
That one I want. Because that should be a the topic, you know. Yet you to see, I'm not ID card. You say, I think I'm very done in India ID until the kingdom come. And when I was so far, much free information, that was system one. You have to be taking this over 3-4 years. And now, or yes, 15 years, so we got cash over 8 years on the quarter. This is a breed, over over meaning. That is that far away, you know. And no more for that. And in order to do that correction, you know, they say we have to re-register all over again. And this why I want to be 80 so 3 years now, what system, database, you know. And make the school, and in the Ghana card, and match it. And I said, you have a lot of that. And so now you're more for that. If you have to create this, will be a collaborative style. I won't be pleased. In say no. Anyway, now we are coming to compile a credible voter register.
Officially on this meeting,
to national health insurance, or passport, ID card, and everything. They who can afford to draw. And it's just common sense. Which is also one play, or present. I don't play.
You can't and I fancy my I got 2 minutes.
You see? We don't start collaborating. Any 2 foreigners now. I'm going to hold up our national health insurance card. I want you to taxes to Ghana. Then we're going to be the cross up Ghana because they say look at any NBC. I'm on Card. I'm going to go to NBC. It's Omania. And your access to our national health insurance card. Make a home quano, we need to re-register every Ghanaian again.
Good.
Because to police, you know, that's why the issue. Yes, let me tell you something in the hospital. I hear your oxygen. Any year you move Ghana, it carries over my hand. I hear two attacks now. It's a full hospital. It's all Ghana, we now conscious. And now you're also, here's the little hospital. I say oxygen as far. Moja as now, because to go to another issue, a cop. I won't just because a certain category, I'm on the car.
Yes.
Common sense.
You.
I don't have them a year, 30 about 2 years ago. All the border towns, hospitals, you know. People are there who honor. Who to compare? Hospitals are a work in Tia of Ghana. That's a nothing here. Just not go so big. Nipa 10 and the group of Confanotia. Who call after our only border towns now. The same hospitals, you know. And Nipa pay 50 every month. Reason is said, I will say, in nearby the brown, and so I want to cross ever be support. And to get any now by a little bit of like our office, yes, every jump panel. Now, to go into that, you should not call, like I didn't know. This is even common sense.
Some.
You will put a stop to it. It is like you will marry Ghana. I have why not force a propose?
Oh, that's it.
This guy. So I think now I just have by him also. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to Ghana and nothing now with you. That's another. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, you know. I don't want all you to and then you sit down now. You'll be pretty good for a year. What if you problem with it? The problem for anything. So you're going to go put our whole trauma. So it's your mind Ghana for. But out to Ghana for one over time Ghana for what I said, you're not going to be over time in your I will not president. I can't know what to do with your office.
Oh, you're not facing.
I don't want to do anything to
go. Yeah, I'm from your Ghana for.
It's like I said, yeah, over Ghana, what I tell you, what I look from, no protecting our form, I will without it. That is how that by Simmons, you know, that man, oh, in the food, and a benefit, Imani, a benefit, Frankie Kujo, I'm very careful.
Ah, Frankie Kujo, yeah.
I'm very careful. Yes, because I'm full on with you.
Good.
Now, you have the only thing to do. I'm not sure which time the new voter register will be compared. They should match it anywhere.
Oh, wait, they're saying, I'm not there, and we're sending to Fire, and I true, a union say a true.
Because I'm away, a cabbage out. I then I think, see, I do feel say, yeah, from yes, I'm from yes, I'm from register. Because Ghana, no, it's the whole world, you know. Ghana says, the intimate differentiating your kind and the limit to any kind.
Hey. You good.
I don't know a good shoe now. I will get the answer. Now, it's catcher again, if you have anything to I'm over you, man. You are always in I'm confused with it. You are just fooling your whole. You are fooling yourself.
Good.
You are coming to you.
Yeah, that's you have a Macron Hokaya and the US Abano, Deputy MPP, US organizer, USA organizer, and I didn't have a Congo, yeah, that's it.